Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop people from adding me to Telegram groups. So if bots or just random people just keep on adding you to these sketchy Telegram groups, then here's how you can stop this. All you need to do is open your Telegram like this. Once you've done that, you will most likely be at the chat section. However, just go and head over to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on settings. Once you have done that, scroll a little bit to the downside like this and click on privacy and security right here. Once you've done that, click on groups and channels, and here it says who can add me, and this basically means who can add me to Telegram groups, and you just want to make sure to set this to my contacts or nobody. If it's set to nobody, nobody will be able to add you to any Telegram groups, and if it's set to my contacts, only people from your contacts will be able to add you to Telegram groups, which is in my opinion the best way. So yeah, that's how you can stop people from adding you or me to Telegram groups. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.